Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wisdom of Runes, Uncover the Answers Within. This is published by Hinkler Explorer, and I found it at our favorite place to go bargain hunting at Five Below. So this was $5 and I'm excited to get into it. There's 25 cards and a 96-page guidebook. Discover the spiritual practice of rune casting and how it can help you tap into your inner wisdom. Learn how to read and interpret runes using the cards as a tool and find the answers within. So as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can purchase this if you want to legitimately. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right. So first off, what caught my eye was this book, because I thought it was just the book to begin with. And then when I picked it up, I was like, oh, there's cards. What? Wait. So anywho, there's a lot of info in this book. I was impressed. Again, $5. So we have a history of runes, how runes can help you getting started with them, and then we have some spreads, as well as then the meanings of each runes. So I do want to go through real fast and look at the spreads. How runes were used. Nice. It does give some, albeit short information, but it does give runes info here. Okay. Choose your rune set, make your own runes, which again, if you guys want a video on me making runes, crafting some runes, let me know down in the comment section, because I am highly interested in making my own set. I think that would be fun. All right, creating a journal for it, and then how to use. There's a lot in here. Cool. Okay, then we have rune spreads. So we have a single draw, 2 rune, 3 rune, and 6 rune. And then the square of 9. Interesting. And then we go into information of the cards here. Runes at a glance. Love that. And then each card. Very cool. Okay, so the runes are in the back here in this box. Oh, they come in a little pouch. Look at that. All right, I'm going to bring you down. Okay, it's like a cotton little pouch here. That's so nice. So yeah, now I don't have to worry about the box packaging. Okay, they are a little bent though, but that's all right. Nothing a big fat book can't straighten out. But there's the back. How cute. I want to say they're like a slight gloss. There's just a smidgen of a reflection there. And let's take a look at the cardstock. Well, you know, they can't all be winners. They are closer to the very thin side, but that's okay. That just means they're going to shuffle really nice, right? Okay. So we have the rune symbol and the name up top, and then the keyword meaning. She is all decked out. Bags upon bags. The art is fun. It reminds me of the Good Karma Tarot art. Aw. These are fun. Aww. Oh no, flat tire. This is really sweet. I do enjoy the art style. I think it's fun, accessible. This reminds me of the Modern Runes deck, I believe that's what it's called, that I reviewed on the channel eons ago, it seems. Very similar. All right, let's see how it shuffles. There's not that many cards, so always going to be a little bit awkward to shuffle. There we go. Yeah, not bad. It's not bad. All right, can I get a card to read, please? All right. We're going to read for the Tiwaz, or commitment, and I'm never going to be able to pronounce the runes names correctly without having the pronunciation guide right next to me. All right. Does it have a table of contents? It does. Okay, 78. Alrighty, I'll pull you back up here. And it does have the pronunciation. All right, T-Wars. All right, the letter sound is T, translation commitment, and themes would be sacrifice, victory, leadership, and principles. Symbolized by an upwardly pointing arrow, T-Wars is about justice, leadership, and doing what is right. When this rune appears, it can hint at making a sacrifice for the greater good. You may be called upon to put your personal ambitions aside for the moment to do something that's more urgent or important right now. You may need to take care of a loved one who is ill or make a compromise in a relationship or at work. While it may feel frustrating, the rewards will be rich in the long run, and you will earn the respect and gratitude of others for your efforts. T-Wars is also about integrity, fairness, and staying true to your convictions. When taking action, it's important that you stick to your principles and don't stray from your values. T-Wars is also encouraging you to go after your goals right now with courage and commitment. The theme of sacrifice pops up again. You may need to make some of the time or financial kind, but it will be worth it to make your dreams happen. Then we do have an inverted meaning here. The downward pointing arrow can indicate a loss of confidence, hope, or direction. The advice from T-Wars is the same as the upright meaning. Stay true to your convictions and take steady action, because you have all the power within you to make it happen. All right. Well, I mean, for $5, I am not complaining. I think it's fun, it's cute, and I do want to point out here, author is Shauna Reid, and internal design is by Lisa Robertson, cover design and illustrations Rachael Jorgensen. So just wanted to make sure that was called out because it wasn't on the box. But for $5, listen, this is a great starting kit if you are needing to find something, wanting to find something that's cheap and accessible and easy. Go get yourself a $5 deck here. I think this is great and fun. There's a lot of information in the book here that can help you out, and it's a great learning tool. I am so excited about it. I think this is fun. I think this is great. Sometimes, man, some of these Hinkler decks just hit just the right spot. So I'm excited. I think it's great. $5. I'm not going to complain again. All right. Let me know what you think now down in the comment section below. And do you want to see a video of crafting runes, doing some different types of rune activities with that? Let me know all of that down in the comment section below. I enjoy reading them, and seeing your guys' opinions is always so great. Thank you so much. I appreciate the heck out of you. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.